Everyone, and welcome today another unboxing video of the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II camera for all your vlogging needs. And today we are going to be unboxing of this. Let's put this aside and let's open up the box. So what do we have inside the box? We will have the free warranty extension, another warranty card from Singapore, manual boot, getting started, power cord for you to charge your batteries, the camera strap itself, the batteries, Canon battery charger. So let's just put this aside and take out the bad boy. I have been wanting this for quite some time right now for my future vlogging. So basically this is the Canon G7X camera. It's trying to focus. Sorry, yeah, there you can see that. Okay, this is the camera. So basically it actually comes with a 16GB of memory, but I don't think it's enough, so I actually purchased another 64GB of memory SD card and also another extra battery. Yeah, just in case the battery runs out. So what do I understand from this battery is actually it can last up to 75 minutes of movie or recording, or about 200 to 300 shots, then your battery will be gone. So let's try to put this memory card inside. Oh shit, can we just tear it? Open. I'll be right back and I'll get some scissors. Okay, so basically I'll just open up at the back here and pop out the memory card. 16GB. This is the 16GB memory card. So let's open up here. Let's slot in the memory card. I think is this way. Okay, let's put this aside. And the batteries, do I need to peel out anything? This is the battery. It's a lithium ion battery. So let's put it in here. Shit, how do I put it? Okay. Sorry. Oh, so okay, I got it. I got it now. Yeah. Nope. And let's put the memory card here. Let's close it. So over here for your selfie, basically you can actually flip up, then selfie mode, or you can basically extend it like this. Nice. Let's power on. Ooh, nice. Okay, so basically they ask you to set the time, the date. We're gonna do this later, so let's just off it. And thank you guys. This is the unboxing of the Canon G7X Mark II. So if you have any question, basically you can just leave the comment below. If you like, please press the like button, or maybe you can subscribe for the future vlog with this baby. So thank you guys. See you. Bye bye.